Okay, so Vern, thank you very much for talking to Microscopy and Analysis again. We're here in St. Louis, M&M 2017. You've done videos with us before.
I have.
So it's nice to see you again. Tell us what's new with JEOL at this show and just generally.
It's actually quite an exciting time for us at JEOL. In my 30-plus years of career at JEOL, I've never seen this much new technology, new equipment, new instrumentation in such a short period of time. And that crosses both the SEM world, the TEM world, and integrates into our mass spec products and NMR products. And the other thing that we're trying to do is we're trying to form a cohesive brand. As you'll notice that it's a traditionally non-JEOL style. The microscopes and all of the products are going towards a much sleeker look. They're all looking uniform. They're all being recognizable as the JEOL brand. On the SEM side, the new flagship instrument, the 7900F, is an analytical high-resolution field emission with brand new automation. And it really accesses the highest resolution SEMs in the world to the casual user. The amount of automation and the algorithms that are written into doing the beam alignments and the column alignments and the autofocus and the auto functions have been significantly updated so that, again, the average user can really get very publishable, high quality data. This is an analytical FEG. It can be variable pressure. You suffer almost no loss in resolution as you go from high KV to low KV. We are able to image samples at 10 volts, 20 volts in their native state. Wow. Surface science, surface imaging. On the other side of the aisle, we have a brand new field emission microscope called the IT500HR. HR is high resolution. This is likely to be a game changer. It's a large chamber. It can hold several pounds of a sample weight. It's a field emission entry-level microscope that has the exact same interface as our tungsten large chambered SEM. So it gets that next step in terms of performance, it gets that next step in terms of ease of use, but it's also at a price point that we think is going to upset the market. It's going to create a new market for people who never thought they were going to be able to afford a dedicated field emission SEM. It comes standard with variable pressure, it comes standard with multiple detectors. We think it's going to be a game changer. The entry-level IT100, which is our tungsten SEM, has continued to just blow us away in terms of the numbers of orders and the performance and the feedback that we get from existing customers. It still is one of our prized instruments, if you will. On the TEM side, we introduced two new TEMs, the Neo Arm, and it's really about automation. It's corrected, and we're working at 30 kV. It's very high resolution at 30 kV. So the high-end field emitters go to 30 kV. Now the high-end TEMs come down to 30 kV. There's a crossover in technology. We're looking at lower Z materials. We're not causing damage. The other instrument is a cryo arm. It's an automated 200 kV, 300 kV cold FEG dedicated cryo TEM. So all of these products have come out at the same time, and we couldn't be more excited.
That is absolutely amazing to hear. Very, very exciting, and we wish you the very best with it. And so thank you again for taking the time to talk.
Thanks. Good to talk to you.